It has been 75 years since the Indian Constitution came into effect. As we celebrate this historic 76th Republic Day, it's essential to recognize the collective efforts behind its creation. Let us delve into the story of the Indian Constitution and the often overlooked contributors who shaped its framework. Whenever the Indian Constitution is discussed, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is often credited as the father of the Indian Constitution. While his contributions were noteworthy, it is important to understand and acknowledge that he was not the sole architect of this great document. In fact, in his book, Worshipping the False Gods, Arun Shourie presents a striking account of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's apprehensions about India's independence. Citing a conversation between Ambedkar and the then Viceroy of India, Lord Wavell, on 5 April 1946, Shourie highlights and quoted Ambedkar as saying that if India were to achieve independence, it would rank among the greatest disasters to befall the nation. These remarks were made just over a year before India ultimately attained freedom on 15 August 1947. Arun Shourie also wrote in his book that Ambedkar did not want Constituent Assembly at all. This is not to diminish Dr. Ambedkar's role in framing the Constitution. However, crediting him alone does a grave injustice to the other 292 members of the Constituent Assembly and, in particular, to Sir Benegal Narsingh Rao. Sir B.N. Rao, a Saraswat Brahman from Karnataka, was an Indian civil servant, jurist, diplomat, and statesman. He played the crucial role in designing the general structure of the democratic framework of the Constitution and prepared its initial draft in February 1948. In his concluding speech in the Constituent Assembly on 25 November 1949, Dr. Ambedkar himself acknowledged Rao's contributions, saying, "The credit that is given to me does not really belong to me. It belongs partly to Sir B.N. Rao, the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly, who prepared a rough draft of the Constitution for the consideration of the drafting committee." Sir B.N. Rao not only conducted extensive research for drafting the Constitution, but in 1946, he travelled to the United States, Canada, Ireland, and the United Kingdom. During his journey, he consulted with judges, scholars, and authorities on constitutional law, ensuring the Indian Constitution would reflect the best practices from around the world. Sir B.N. Rao was the key figure who carried out the pioneering work. Rao's draft was later discussed, debated, and amended in the Constituent Assembly, eventually becoming the Constitution we uphold today. As we celebrate 75 years of the Indian Constitution, let us honor not only Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, but also the pivotal contributions of Sir B.N. Rao and all the members of the Constituent Assembly, whose efforts shaped the Constitution we hold dear.